Every Trail Boss assembly is made up of these basic components. You have the option of a grip handle. Most folks run a grip handle. You have a handle segment, and then in this case, we have a steel upgraded segment. That'll be the lowest segment that attaches to the head. Assembly is pretty easy. You want to start with the heaviest part on the ground. So in this case, we're going to take our steel handle segment and thread it into our base. Then our handle segment. And then finally our grip handle. Cinch your collars down firmly, and you've got a fully assembled handle.